One of the biggest problems businesses face is poor lead management. So in this tutorial, we are going to create an amazing integration between Google Forms and Monday.com. With the help of this, whenever the customer submits their details while filling the form, instantly all of the user's record is going to be added inside your Monday.com CRM. No manual copy pasting, no checking responses again and again. So this is the exact automation we are going to build today without writing a single line of code using all-in-one automation tool named as Pabbly Connect. But before we proceed, I'll give you a quick real-time overview of how it will work by filling this form. Let's say I am entering the full name as a test user. After that, I am entering one test email address too, one contact number, a university name, skills are script writing, and one test portfolio link too. After that, I'm clicking on the submit button. See, the form has been submitted successfully. Now I'm going to show you my Monday.com CRM by refreshing it. See, a new exact same record is successfully added inside it. That includes the name as a test user, expertise as script writing, and all the details. So this is the exact automation we are going to build today. But before we proceed, I have something extremely valuable for you. If you also want to integrate multiple applications but don't know any programming language, then go and purchase this amazing tool called Pabbly Connect by using my coupon code MEHYT and get an exclusive discount on both yearly and lifetime Pabbly plans. This is especially for my viewers. So grab this offer as soon as possible. Now without wasting any time, let's start the creation of this workflow. Alright, so this is the dashboard of Pabbly Connect. If you are an existing user of Pabbly, that is perfect. But if you are not, then go for pabbly.com/connect and done the sign up process. And you know what is the craziest part? Once you do this, you will receive 100 free tasks every month to explore the software, which is perfect for testing. After you do the sign up process and select the application as Pabbly Connect, you will successfully come on the dashboard of Pabbly Connect. Here you can create and manage all of your automation workflows. For creating a new workflow, you have to click on this plus create workflow button. Once you click on it, it will provide you three options, named as create from scratch, create using AI, and create using Quick Builder. You can go with anyone. I am creating this workflow by using Quick Builder, so I am selecting this option. And next, this Connect AI Studio is going to be appear in front of me. Here you just have to give a prompt and it will automatically generate a workflow for you. Let's say I give it the prompt as lead routing tutorial. Send Google Forms data to Monday.com CRM instantly. As soon as I send the prompt, it analyzes my request and asks me which Google Forms trigger should start this workflow. So I selected as new response received, and next it says that which Monday.com action would you like for create item. That I am selecting as create item, and see, within a second I got my workflow and it is asking me for my approval. So I am approving it by clicking on this button and it says that workflow created successfully. Now I'm going to open this workflow and see I have the exact same application that I want, means the Google Forms and the Monday.com. You can also rename your workflow from here if you want to. After getting the application, we need to create a connection between our apps and the Pabbly Connect. So for making it, you just have to click on the application and here you will see one webhook URL and the steps mentioned below. That's how you can connect your Google Forms with Pabbly Connect. At first, I'm copying this webhook URL from here and clicking on this recapture webhook response. See, it started waiting for a webhook response. But before going in this, at first we need to create a connection. So for making it, I'm going to take you to my Google Forms account. See, this is the home of my Google Forms and this is the form that I have already created before by the name of content writer placement application form. I added only some fields here, but you can add more completely based on your own choice. Now for making a connection, you just have to click on this responses option and click on this view in sheets option. See, this is the sheet that consists all the users data that were received while filling the form. Now for making a connection, click on this extensions option. After that, click on this Pabbly Connect webhooks and click on this initial setup button. Now I am going to make a new setup. So for that, at first I am removing the previous one and pasting the new webhook URL in this field that I have copied from the workflow. After pasting the webhook URL, you just have to enter the trigger column in this. Trigger column is the final data column inside your Google Sheet where the data is added. I have entered my trigger column as G. Next, I am clicking on the send test button and see, it says that test data sent successfully. successfully. Now we will check our workflow to see whether we have received a new response or not. Here you just have to wait for a few seconds. See, automatically I received a response and it includes all the leads that were entered of the first row in this sheet. After that, you just have to click on the submit button and see the setup is configured successfully. Here you just have to make sure that the send on event is always active. If it is not active, then the Pabbly Connect does not receive any responses. So it is going to be active every time. Keep this in your mind. As we have successfully received the response, this means that the connection between Pabbly Connect and the Google Forms is working perfectly, and the setup of our trigger application is completed. Trigger says when this happened and action says do this. Now our action application is monday.com, so I am clicking on it. Again, for making a connection, you just have to click on this connect button. If you have an existing one, then you will go with this, but for making a new connection, you just have to click on this option and it will ask you to enter the API key. So for getting this API key, just go towards your monday.com account. See, this is my monday.com account. After that, click on your profile and go in this developers option. Once you come in it, you will see one option by the name of API token. So copy this token from here and paste it in this field. After pasting the token, click on the save button, and this is how easily you can connect monday.com CRM with Pabbly Connect. Next, you just have to select the board ID that I am selecting as content writer placement application. This is the board that I have already created before, and as soon as I have select the board ID from here, it will automatically generate all the fields that are present inside this board, such as the name, expertise, and many more. Now in each of these fields, I am going to do the mapping of the response that I have received from the previous application, that is this Google form. To do the mapping, you just have to enter the slash on the field and the previous application is visible in front of you. Once you click on it, you will see all the received responses. So in this item name field, I am going to do the mapping of the user's full name, that is Arav Sharma. After that, in this name field too, I am doing the mapping of the user's full name. Next, in this expertise field, I am doing the mapping of the skills. After that, the phone number. Now what is mapping? So mapping is the most important step in automation, as it makes data dynamic, as different users have different data. So for capturing each user's information dynamically, mapping is used. With the help of this mapping, every time on the new form submission, this data will change. After that, I am clicking on the save and send test request button, and you will see I have received the positive response. Now I am going to show you the CRM too. See, automatically a new record is added inside our CRM by the same name and all the details that we have mapped in each of these fields. I want you to know that I have mapped only some fields because my objective is only to teach you how you can do the automation by using Pabbly Connect. You can map more data, integrate different applications, or do anything completely based on your own needs. The logic will be the same, and I want you to know that I have clicked on the save and send test request button just only for the testing purpose. You don't have to click on this button manually. You just have to click on the save button and the automation will occur automatically. As a new record is successfully created inside our CRM, this means that the step is also working perfectly and our workflow is completed. After the completion of your workflow, you have to make sure that to enable this toggle. If you don't enable this toggle, then your workflow will become disabled and it will not work. If you face some difficulties or you have any queries while doing the setup of this amazing workflow, then feel free to ask us in the comment section. I have also shared the link of this workflow in the description below. You can check it out. Not only this, you can integrate multiple applications by using Pabbly Connect. So what are you waiting for? Go and try this amazing tool. Lastly, a quick reminder about the coupon code MEHYT. Don't forget it while purchasing the Pabbly subscription and grab an exclusive offers. So this is all for today. I'll see you in the next video. So not only this, you can do multiple integration of many applications with the help of Pabbly Connect. If you have any doubts, then you can email us at sales@pabbly.com. If you want to know the price details about Pabbly Connect, then you can visit www.pabbly.com/connect #pricing. If you like this video, then please give it a thumbs up and also subscribe our YouTube channel.